Omubi uma sikhuluma uhleze ebheka a sign of weakness that he can exploit. Uma ngabe ukhombisa ukukholwa mokhuluma omubi umncintsha indawo, which is why uJesu ikhathe eziningi bethi ningamniki usathane indawo, hlalani nikhuleka, hlalani nilinde. It's because isitha siyabhonga ngaphandle sifuna umuntu esomshobodela. Most of the times uma umuntu ekhuluma enokukholwa, it's like he has been there. It's like he or she is convinced. Most of the times mengikhuluma eThekwini noma la kugcwele khona abantu bathi nangu-ke nesitefe, hawu nesitefe lona usemdala nje anikeze thina iy'ngane ithuba. It's like they can see ukuthi uNkulunkulu unamandla kumina and uyadominator, but they are used to be dominant. Yingakho becikeka ukuthi there's somebody new ongayidlalela yabi team that is going to dominate and bona bazoncintsheka spotlight. What I'm trying to say to you is omubi uhlezi ezama ukubuka ukuthi wena uthakathaka kephi ukuze ekudestroy. For example, when you're lacking the fear, when you're lacking the faith, omubi uyabuka athi hawu shame, lo muntu lona akabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona uhamba naye. Lo muntu lona akabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu, he is the provider, the protector, uyikona konke. And then usathane masiyajabula ukubona ngoba ulahla ithemba. Yajabula usathane mebona ukuthi ulahla ithemba. Mina ngake ngakhuluma kubantu so innocently ngisho ukuthi I do not really know what to do right now, but I'm having difficulties financially. Ubona umuntu ngempela enze sengathi ungitshengisa ububele nokungizwela, kodwa agijime eyotshela izitha zami ukuthi wey akasenayo imali. Baningi abantu besilisa nabesifazane engakhuluma kubona thinking we are together, kanti bona bayo informa the enemy. Ngizama ukutshela ukuthi omubi does not really care ukuthi wena ungena how deep in problems, so long as you won't show the faith, so long as you won't show the sign of hope, so long as you won't believe in God. Yena into ayifuna ukuthi nje ungakholelwa uNkulunkulu, ungakhombisa ukukholwa ukuze nabanye abantu abakubukayo bengabi nathemba. Well-ke umuntu ongena kukholwa ohlezi ebalisa, ohlezi ekhuluma izinto that does not show faith, ungathi uyiphunga elibi kubantu abantu bambalekela. I even run away from abantu abanjalo mina who are always negative because they would drain my energy. Those people are compared to as energy vampires because they play around your faith ukuze bezozama ukuthi bethi drain your energy. For example, ngale nkathi umuntu ehleze complainer, ufuna wena umkhombise ama-solutions, advice ukuze kubone ukuthi wena uweak kangakanani. Uma kubona ukuthi ngempela uhlezi unama-advice, lo muntu udana ku-avoid, mehlangana nawe adana hline, ingoba uyakubona ukuthi strong, meza nama-problems noma nama-negativity iy'tori zakhe, wena uyazama ukuthi uyichithe nge-positivity. If i-positivity yakhe ihlule energy yakhe negative, uyakuzonda. So I've been with those kind of people who always come and complain. Masingabatshela ukuthi sometimes uyoba nini wena nokukholwa ngoba nje mofika kumina uhlezi uzocomplaina. Mina nami ngumuntu njengawe. At the end of the day ngingaba umzalwane, but ngumuntu at the end of the day. Mozolibela uze la negativity, not even once have you came to me wakhuluma ngokukholwa, wakhuluma ngento enhle eyaphambili, uzobalisa nje kumina. Yindaba ungaqondi uNkulunkulu. Hayi ukuthi angithandi ukumsebenza lo muntu. Ngiyathanda ukubasebenza abantu, especially abantu abadinga usizo. Kodwa kunabantu abasebenzayo around my strength, abazama ukuyisebenzisa strength sami ukuze bengilimaze. Kuthiwa mofuna ukubona ukuhlonipha komuntu, pretend as if you don't know anything. So labantu laba, they are pretending to be at fault noma to be enkingeni to see how far I can go. Kodwa lo muntu ngithembe mengihlala nami, hayi ukuthi ngiyamdlinzela ngokubi. Nami ngiyayibheka amakhwapha ami ukuthi analo yini iphunga. Mengimbuka lo muntu ngiyabona ukuthi no, I did not make a mistake la. Ulo muntu lo ozama ukuthi athi play around weakness ukuze ezongiqumba phansi. Mase fika mase ngikhuluma kanje ukuthi wena uyobanini nokukholwa. Sometimes you only need to have faith nje. Nabenginawo ugogo. Ugogo wami mebona umakhelwane bekhala sakude. Akhala ayithulise. Why ugogo wami ekhala sakude? Ingoba shuthi yena wayevimba loyana ukubalisa kwakhe. Naye masiyabalisa kuqala. So ngabona ukuthi so isitayela sale emhlabeni lesokubalisa uma kubuza umuntu unjani athi siyacenga inkinga ziningi usaqhubeka nje kodwa asazi kusasa lesiphatheleni yabona uNkulunkulu okusho ukuthi manje asimbone ukuba khona kwakhe. Sometimes uNkulunkulu mekuphilisile nje do say ngiyaphila ungasho extra futhi bongathandi. Ayikho umuntu okuphoqa ukuthi ukhuluma nabantu nje engenanqa nabo kodwa engazi kahle ukuthi igcina ngokubingelela hi ukuthi siyakhuluma nabo sikhuluma nabo angibajwayeli nabo bangijwayela akubazi ukuthi ngikhulumela uNkulunkulu akusho sengumngani wabo ngoba ngazi ukuthi abantu abanye uNkulunkulu wayengabhobokelani nabo kunabantu nje uJesu wayengabhobokelani nabo. Labo bantu labo abanye babekholwa kodwa uJesu nje wawungambone uThomo wabo ekhuluma nabo ngoba wayebazi abantu wayezazi inhliziyo zabo engadingi ukuthi omunye umuntu amtshele because babezama ukuthi bembambe bembuza imibuzo tricky for them ukuthi beyitshengisa ukuthi bona bangcono kuJesu. So Jesu knew these people ukuthi what they are capable of. Ingakho eba-avoid hayi ukuthi wayebasaba wayeba-avoid ngoba he knows what will come. So these people will come to you ngoba bafuna ukuthi bezokuchitha bazozama ngazo zonke indlela. Mina baningi abantu who are playing around indlela engakhiwe ngayo but uzositshela ukuthini loyasisi loyana noma lesasalukwazi lesiyana buka nje okwesokungakanani bakubiza ngosisi lesalukwazi kodwa kunendaba egcineni vele umuntu yaza ngenzele lutho. What matters ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungibekeleni. I must find my purpose. Kodwa labantu bazama ukuthi bethi shame my feminine side ukuze bethi feed their ego, their masculinity ukuze beyibone besuperior kunami. Kodwa mina sengifundile mina ngikwazile ukuhlanganisa iside lami elimasculine neside lami elifeminine kwaphuma ucream. Ngiyakwazi ukublenda in kwabesifazane nabesilisa ngokunjalo nabadala nabancane abafundile nabangafundanga kodwa laba they can't because ignore leli side labo elifeminine bayitshela ukuthi ababona abantu but angikho-ke lapho la ngikhona ngiqonda ukuthi they will try and find fault in who you are ukuze bona bebe ngcono. So you must be vigilant ngoba isitha sakho siyabhonga ngaphandle sumuntu ezomshobodela. I-teaching yanamhlanje ukuthi tshengisa ukukholwa. Do not see the sign of fear or do not show the sign of fear because when you show the sign of fear izitha zasebenzisa and bobatshela indaba zakho uthi uyathulula basizakala befe behambe bekhuluma ngazo. We have God. Mina nje angisabi ukuthi ngoba ngiyazi noNkulunkulu la ngiphela khona amandla uNkulunkulu angenelela. Baningi abantu babethi bengiphelele umsebenzi bejabule kodwa uNkulunkulu akunikeza ongcono ozongolela kakhulu becikeke bethule ngale nkathi ngiphelele umsebenzi beparade bejabule bekolode kodwa uNkulunkulu basekuneza umsebenzi ongcono kakhulu bethule kube sengathi abekho. So besedlala leyo game but ngibonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu he always take into engasekho right anginikeze better. Labo bantu ke right now ba silenced kunabanye engabashiye ngangikholwa kunye nabo uthi uNkulunkulu uma engikhipha njengegatsha efuna ngithele kakhulu bakhuluma kodwa uma bebuka lama video engiwaqophayo obala agcwele umhlaba wonke einkundleni zokuxhumana mengibabuka nje bedane benyiphe ngimbone ngithi umuntu kaNkulunkulu odala uNkulunkulu ngibabingelele phela ngoba ingane zasekhaya zivele ekhaya elilodwa kahle omubi ungenile ufaka unyawo kodwa mina ngoba sengiyamazi omubi ukuthi uyayijika inhliziyo yomuntu okholwayo nami ngimbingelele ngamabomu ngazi kahle ukuthi ngiyazavuna kodwa kusalayo ngigeza unembeza ukuthi ngimbingelelile because le nkonzo le ebalekile ukuthi ukukholwa kuqala bengakukhombisa ukukholwa wakho noNkulunkulu but mina sengidlulile lapho ngizama ukuveza labantu kaNkulunkulu ukuthi khombisa ukukholwa. Do not show a sign of fear because omubi uhleze libheka ukuze ezo-exploiter. Uma exploiter wena uzosala u-weak, u-drained. Ungabavumeli beharvest amandla kuwena, tshengisa ukukholo.